Okay, this is the bread aisle. See, it's bread. Hey, how cute. Yeah, this is the bread aisle. January 20, right before the blizzard was supposed to hit. It wasn't like this last night. This is crazy. Surprisingly, it is like Twinkies and stuff left. And snack cakes. But they pretty much have cleared this bread aisle out. Look at that. Got some pumpernickel and some rye. Oh, I'm wrong. Somebody just picked up the pumpernickel. And this place is crazy. Most of the soup's gone. I'm hoping I get your soup ticket. Because it's like, I don't know. We're going to be snowed in for years. Looking at this.
I don't want to get it. I want to try it. Hold on. That's all the soup off of it.
We may be out of luck, babe.
I didn't get no chicken noodle soup for the night. Chicken and rice.
Alright, I'll check at the front where they used to have it. But I'm afraid you're short. I mean, this place is amazing. It is amazing. I mean, just from last night. I should have filmed last night. It's like the cakes, yeah, the cheap snacking cakes are gone. Okay, it was soups at the front yesterday. I'm gonna check the front again. But somebody might kill me because they're gonna think I'm butting in line. These are the lines. They're down to Aura last night and there they are again. Look. Chocolate. Excuse me, baby. Okay, I'm checking out front. They do have some. Now if I can get my daggone cart back, that'll be alright. Hold on, I'm holding it like this because I'm shocked. Okay, I'm headed back. Excuse me. Got him. Oh, wrong one. Okay, I got two of the right one. I'm gonna go back around another way. Excuse me. There's pandemonium in here. Girl, I hope I can find you a Dorito. Because these people are like just the end, their last trial. Excuse me, baby. I mean, okay, I snuck up the side. Let me see if I can get another. I'm scared. Do I leave my cart unattended? Let me try this again. Did I bump it? Crap, sorry about that. Yeah, it is something else in here. I need her Doritos. So, I'm assuming my brother I stay with has us pretty well locked down on necessities. I can only assume. He didn't seem too concerned. But
If I find it,
I'm still looking. I may have to get you little bags because I don't know if it's any big bags. Let me see.
I said, I mail them. I did that in March.
Actually, I'm gonna grab you little ones because it's
So,
like any big stuff.